as a Credai Leaders, otherwise earlier association also, lost 8 chief ministers.
Yes.
So, as a body, we are neutral. Credai as a body, we are neutral. We work with all the government across the country. If you see how many regional parties are there, national parties are there, our relations are extremely good with all the governments. We have no issue. Whichever government comes, we have only a policy advocacy body. What is good for the state and nation? Sector, the entire real estate sector, and we should bring everybody professionalism also. So that was our vision, and we achieved that proudly. You heard everybody, whatever our aim and goal was there, we achieved. Even RERA has come recently, but when we started our Credai, that day only RERA we started, our self-imposed RERA. You know, what Chandran Garu has said, our own commitment within the association, every chapter. In fact, by seeing that, we are not 100 years old body. There are other bodies that they still 100 years old. Within 10 years, the government realize these guys are doing a good job, professional job. They are really walk the talk. Then they included us in the steering committee of the planning commission.